Hi everyone, my name is Toy Polly, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now this recently, Toy Haley did a Let's Play on this series, but now it's my turn. Yeah, we all enjoy it. We're actually going to go to the planet now. Oh, oops. Yeah, I'm actually going to go this way, actually. Yeah, today we're going to be doing the Skimmick Mark level that she said she was going to do ages ago, but that doesn't matter. Okay. We're in here first. Yeah, everyone, we're actually going to play this game. Which I'm actually Toy Polly. I'm in love with Marty the Tiger. He's my boyfriend, not Haley's. You get it right, stupid idiot. OMG! Wait, where am I supposed to go? I really don't know. Let me talk to this guy again. Okay, we really don't need to see this again. I think we're gonna go this way. Get burned! I love it! Ha! You stupid idiot. I love this game. Burn all this. Oh, ow! You hurt me! It's not fun! Actually, oh, we might as well collect these bolts. We don't need them anyway. Yeah, everyone, I'm Marty's girlfriend. Oh, we can't get in there. This would need something really powerful to get in the next area, though. Yes, I'm gonna try making my voice sound a little more like this. That sound like more like Toy Polly. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I really hate this. I really hate this. It's so freaking ridiculous. Yes, everyone. My name is Toy Polly. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous for this level, but it's not a whole lot bad. So you got sand sharks pouring down from above, which is kind of stupid. Oh, there are 4 more sand sharks left. I'm actually gonna get. Did I forget the area? I hope I did not. That would kind of be stupid. That video took like 4 minutes and 75 seconds long. What did I miss? Oh wait, do I have to get back on top of that thing? Because I hate to do that if I did. Yeah, we have a few more characters that actually might play this game. Oh, it's up there! Well, I get the hoverboard though.
Here, man, catch. A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these. Well, I got a baby.
Wow, Skimmick Marks.
You just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard.
Wow, okay, that sounds pretty cool, actually. I feel like we're gonna go the other way now. I can just jump down off the edge. Oh wait, actually, what new gadgets do we have here?
I got some great bargains.
Oh, I don't have enough. It's 2,000. Okay. Okay, I'm not done yet. Get wrenched in the face, you stupid idiot. I actually want to spend a little time playing more of this game. Oh, my nose itches. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. We're gonna fight our way back. Okay, we're gonna wait till we get up there. We're not long even filming. We might have to try this secret area. I feel like we can do this level. If we die one more time, I think that's it. Oh no! Okay, I still want to like complete this area. Yeah, get smacked. I hate you. This is what I hate about these kind of games. Oh, we have to jump. I'll get it. Oh, we're gonna get... Does that actually just beat the level? No matter where we go. Ammo. Oh, my husband's itchy. Now I'm a toy animatronic. I love Marty Tiger so much, and he loves me back. And Haley shot a ruin our relationship together. First of all, I met him first. Long before you, and you want to get in the way of that. That's ridiculous. We're actually gonna... I think this is it.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info pod. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog.
Oh, wow.
You look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
Oh,
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
okay, after we get back, over here, I'm gonna save the game. Okay. Like that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody!